Hello guys, Newer is kind enough to send us the HB80C RGB LED light for review, and we are excited to see what it can do. First off, we are gonna start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we got the HB80C RGB light. The buttons are super clicky and responsive, and there's also a scroll wheel too, which makes adjusting and navigating the menu a lot easier. At the front, there's a built-in Bowens mount. No adapters, no fuss, just plug in your softbox and you're ready to go. The standard reflector also comes in the box. Basically, it helps concentrate the light so you get a punchier and more directional beam. And in the box, we also have the charger and also the tripods. Moving on, we are gonna talk about some of the features of this light. First off, we have the CCT mode, where you can adjust the color temperature anywhere from warm tungsten all the way to cool daylight, from 2500 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin. Then we have the HSI mode, where it lets you fine-tune your color, adjust the hue to pick the color, set the saturation for how bold or soft it looks, and control the brightness to match your scene. The HB80C also includes 18 special built-in lighting effects like the fire, TV flickers, police lights and more. Super handy for adding some drama or atmosphere without needing extra gears. There's also a RGB color wheel mode where you were given full color control by scrolling through 360 degrees of hues and lock in on the colors you are looking to set on. Next is the fan mode. So there's 3 fan modes in this HB80C. First is the silent mode, which will max the lighting capacity at 45 watt. And second is the regular mode, where it will be maxed at 65 watt. And then there's also the third mode, which is the booster mode, where the light will be used in its maximum brightness of 80 watt when connected with a PD 100 watt charger. Hello guys, we are here at the beach shooting for a portrait photo shoot using the newer HB80C, and let's see what we can do with it. We are gonna shoot during the blue hours, so it's currently still the sun is not set yet, so we are waiting for the sun while we enjoy the beach. Yeah. One of the main highlights of the light is it has a 5000 mAh battery built in, which makes it so much easier to bring an LED light out for photo shoot without breaking the bank for V-mount adapters and batteries. With the large built-in batteries, we can have a more immersive shooting for a longer duration without worrying if the lights might die out. With the regular fan mode, you can reach up to 70 minutes battery life at 65 watt output, whereas the silent mode can achieve a whopping 94 minutes of battery life at 45 watt output. If you are not using it at its maximum output, it might even stretch further with its battery life. Bringing this light out for a photo shoot was such a pleasant and hassle-free experience. It's the kind of gear that makes you want to get out there and try even more creative ideas. And of course, you can also control the HB80C through the newer app. It connects via Bluetooth, and from there you can adjust the brightness, the color temperature and even switch between modes, all without touching the light. At times when the light is positioned at a higher ground or out of your reach, this app will be a lifesaver. To sum things up, there's a lot of competition out there who creates LED lights, and Newer had taken the different route to pack a built-in battery into this small compact light. They saw the opportunity on the people like me who hates to bring cables and big batteries around for photo shoots. If I were to give a very selfish feedback, I would say let's make it a 100 watt without compromising its size and battery life. If you are interested in buying the newer HP ATC, you can click on the link below. See you guys again next time.